Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix blurry or pixelated Instagram stories on Android. If your stories look terrible when you upload them, these four fixes should solve the problem. Let's jump in. Alright, first thing, check your internet connection. If you're using mobile data and have a weak signal, your stories might upload in low quality. Switch to a fast and stable Wi-Fi connection and try uploading again. Now, open Instagram and tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then you should be on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Data Usage and Media Quality, or just Media Quality, and tap on it. Here's the thing. Make sure Use Less Cellular Data is turned off. Then scroll down and turn on Upload at Highest Quality. This tells Instagram to upload your stories in the best quality possible, instead of compressing them. Okay, now let's fix your camera settings. Close Instagram and open your phone's camera app. Now we will change the resolution of our video. Tap on the video section and look for the 1080p option on the top right. Make sure it's set to 4K or the highest resolution available by tapping on it. This ensures your videos are recorded in high quality from the start. Finally, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there's an update available, tap Update. Instagram updates often include bug fixes and better upload quality, so updating can fix compression issues. And that's it. Your Instagram stories should now upload in crystal clear quality. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.